So this is Video Journal 3 for Institutional Video. This week we were at the Goodwill in the welding station, the welding class, and we got to get a lot of shots. They demonstrated some arc welding and some MIG welding. They also demonstrated different machines they use around the shop to cut metal and to shape metal and different things like that. You got to get them kind of working in a natural environment. Some demonstrations were set up for us, but then there were also just other students in there working. So we got a lot of shots of people in their natural element in that class. It's very interesting, the arc and the MIG welding, completely different. And we also got some few shots from the perspective of someone with the mask, the welding mask, I guess is what you want to call it. So next week will probably be. Next week I don't think we're going to be going to do anything with it because they're still in the middle of their MIG class, so not a lot's going to change. The way it works is, like I said in previous videos, they do about 4 weeks of a certain style and then they switch. But this week we got a lot of good shots with MIG and STIG. Just for us, they set up a demonstration because I think they're really right now still working with MIG. But the instructor, he was able to get some TIG welding out there, or not TIG, stick welding for us. So that's what we got. A lot of good shots, different machines that they use and tools that they use in their class. So it was a productive week this week.